those of you watching this video, this is a road that I like to just, you know, drive down, cruise, relax. It's a really nice little spot. I haven't said anything in this video yet, but, you know, I just decided, why not? And I apologize. The phone keeps falling over, and my phone is my camera. So, yeah, I don't have a mount here in the car. I should look into getting one of those so I can do more of these kind of point of view shots and whatever else and some of the roads around here. This is my favorite. It is a very smooth road. And like speed limits, you do have to kind of pay attention because sometimes cops can be down here, but overall it's a very nice sort of spot to just cruise along. This is where I've done some of the, like not quite in this spot, but on this road in particular, I have done some of my speed runs and everything like that when it's been really quiet, which one of the, like right now is one of those times where it's really quiet. But the thing is, like none of my cars are that fast, nor are they that loud. Like actually, I'm in, you might be able to tell just from this little shot here, I am not driving Stitch right now, I am in Milo. You know, this is my convertible, my white 86. The 3.8 V6. It does sound bitchin' though. Like I don't know if you guys have been able to hear the exhaust note coming out the back, but honestly, it's fantastic. I love the way this thing sounds. It is extremely slow, so you know there will be stuff done in the future to make that a lot better to drive, but that way, because like she can't get out of her own way right now. You know, I've got the like this car does a quarter mile in 20 seconds flat, and this guy just missed his turn by the looks of it. Don't worry, bud, you're fine, you're fine. I don't know what that guy's doing, but whatever. Don't let it spoil this wonderful road, which is how fun it is to drive down here. And, you know, a lot of people in the area kind of know me. They know my cars, especially because, well, especially with the convertible right now, like the top is up at the moment. It's a little too cold to have it down. Though it's not that cold right now, but I don't feel like having the heater blaring and, you know, having the just so I can drive with the top down at the moment. Plus it's still in a negative, like it's -6 right now, so if it was like +5, I might have the top down for this, but you might not be able to hear me that well if the top was down. But just look at how nice this road is. And actually this is the same road that there's a video on my channel, actually it's a very quick video of essentially the point of view drive in the Mark V pickup truck, right? It's a Lincoln Mark V that was converted to a pickup truck sometime in the late 70s, early 80s. I'm assuming 80s because it is a 79. And yeah, it is a very wonderful, wonderful road. Quite smooth, you know, there's a little bit of divots here and there and you do have to be careful. But for the most part, it's pretty nice. And sometimes there are police. Actually, let's just give it, hang on, let's shift it into non-overdrive. Put it back in overdrive. There you go. You guys get to hear some exhaust and engine noise there. I love this car. Anyways, we're reaching the end of the road here, so I hope you enjoyed. Do not run in front of my car, little squirrel. Okay, good. That would have sucked. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. This is a little different thing, you know, and if you want to see more stuff like this, you know, I might know of a couple more areas that are honestly just decent driving spots that you guys can see a point of view shot and me chatting along with you. So, yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed. And yeah, welcome to Katarina's Garage. And hope you stay safe during COVID-19. Good luck with whatever you're working on. And yeah,